Dear all, this video discusses about some of the important MCQs related to research methodology. So in this video, we'll discuss some questions related to research methodology. So first question is, the depth of any research can be judged by title of the research, duration of the research, objectives of the research, total expenditure on the research. So any research is dependent on the objective of the research. So depth of any research can also be judged by objective of the research. So the answer is C. Next question. The first step of research is finding the problem, selecting a problem, searching a problem, identifying a problem. So in order to start research, any research for that matter, first we should find out a problem, that is we should identify a problem. So the first step of research is identifying a problem. So the answer is D. Next question. Bibliography given in a research report has no relevance to research, shows vast knowledge of the researcher, helps those interested in further research, all of the above. So bibliography, basically there you give all the references what the researcher has gone through. So this is mainly helping more than having dealing about relevance to the research or showing knowledge of the researcher. This bibliography will help those interested in further research. Any person who takes the bibliography or the research report can check through what are the research papers being gone through. So can search those papers and carry out more further research on it. So it helps those interested in further research. So the answer is C. Next question. The study in which the investigators attempt to trace an effectus. Whenever we are dealing with relationship or dealing with an after effect or finding out the research after an effect, that deals with ex post facto research. So the answer will be ex post facto research. Answer D. Next question, the main characteristics of scientific researches. When you say scientific research is a much organized research done in a much organized and scientific manner. A process is followed for it. So it will be experimental. Empirical mainly means whether we conduct experiments or how we are conducting it. Then theoretical, experimental, all of the above. So scientific research will consist of all these characteristics. So the answer is D. Next one, research is conducted to generate new knowledge, develop a theory, develop communication skills, reinterpret existing knowledge. So when you consider research generate new knowledge. Surely research, when you start doing research, it will generate new knowledge. Even this knowledge can help you to develop a new theory, but it doesn't help to develop communication skill. D is reinterpret existing knowledge. Yeah, with the existing knowledge, you can come up with new results. So the answer will be A, B and D. So the first option will be the answer. Next question, which type of research will be most suitable to learn the attitude of workers towards a new change in their organization? So when you are dealing with attitude of workers towards a new change in the organization. So attitude of workers is the state of the art thing, that is what exists actually. So attitude of workers is just being described as it occurs in the workers. So the most suitable one when you consider here is descriptive, because the descriptive deals with state of the art affair. So the answer will be descriptive. B. Next is, which of the following research focuses on exploring the new facts through the study of past? The study of past comes into picture only in case of historical research. We study about the past and try to use it for future research. So the answer will be historical research. Next question is, questionnaire is a research method, measurement technique, tool for data collection, all of the above. So questionnaire basically means that you are asking questions to people. So basically if you want to know about something, so we may conduct survey. So survey can be either online, offline, or it can be questionnaire. So finally you are trying to find out something about related to what research you are trying to do. So basically it is helping you to collect the data related to your research area. So questionnaire is a tool for data collection. So the answer will be C. So this just basically explains some of the questions related to research. Still there are many more questions which can be learned. So do subscribe to the channel to get latest updates.